First, remove the screws on the back of the monitor. Take off the connecting screws of the monitor. Fasten the mounting bracket to the monitor with screws. Unscrew one end of the bracket arm, insert the other end into the bracket. Retrieve the previously removed bracket screw and tighten it securely. Remove the screws on the right of the monitor and fit the intraoral camera bracket. Slip the column bracket over the dental chair arm and position it properly. Insert the large pressure plate, then the small ones on both sides. Adjust and fasten the screws. Fit the intraoral camera onto the column bracket. Fasten the bracket using the screws you took out earlier. Fit on the bracket cover and fasten. Set the intraoral camera on the bracket. Plug the other end into the display and fasten tight. Setup complete.